Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher Miss Sitwat. I hope you all are fine. Now in today's lecture we will learn what comes before. Do you know what I mean by before? Before का मतलब होता है कि पहले. So today we will see which number will come before. Right? So see the screen. You can see there is a blank before number 2. So you will tell me which number will come before 2. 2 से पहले क्या आता है? Can you tell me? Yes, number 1 will come before 2. So you will write number 1 before 2 on the line. Now see the next one. Which number will come before 5? Number 4. Very good. So you will write number 4 on the blank. After this, see the next number. Number 8. You can see the blank there before number 8. So which number you will write? Which number will come before 8? 7. So write number 7. Now next, see the next number. This is number 7 and there is a blank before number 7. So which number will come before 7? Number 6. Very good. Now see the last number. Yes, this is number 10 and there is a blank before number 10. So you will write which number? Number 9. 10 से पहले क्या आता है? 9. So you will write number 9 before 10. So I hope you understand. Now homework time. Now here are some numbers. You will do it at home in your rough copies. So take care. Allah Hafiz and bye bye. And